Hello and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to be showing you how to make your own story on Scratch. But if you don't know how to use Scratch or what Scratch is, go ahead and check out my tour of Scratch video and it will show you everything you need to know. So now let's get started. So we're going to delete the default sprite and choose a background. I'm choosing the witch house background because that's what I'm going to do for my story, but you can do whatever you'd like. So now let's choose some characters. So I'm going to go into the people's category and choose the witch. And now I'm going to add some code onto it. So we're going to go into looks category and get a say hello for 2 seconds block. But you don't have to make it say hello, or you don't have to copy exactly what I'm doing. You can do whatever you like, and I am using chat for this story, but you can also use sound if you'd like to by just going into the sound category and recording your own sound. Or you can actually choose your own sound, you don't have to record it, and I did show you how you choose sounds instead of recording it on my tour of Scratch video. So we're going to add a when green flag clicked block on top of that. And now we're going to test this code out. So we're going to click the green flag and it should say what I want it to say. Okay. Now I'm going to choose another character, and my second character is going to be a wizard. So now we're going to go to people's again, the category people, and get a wizard. And now I'm going to go, well at first I need to make it smaller because it's a little bit big. And then I'm going to go into looks category just like we did to the witch. The wizard's code is going to be just a little bit different at first. So now we're going to first get a show and hide block, and the reason why we're doing that is actually because when we want the green flag clicked, we don't want the wizard to be there straight away, we want the wizard to just suddenly appear. So we're going to get a when green flag clicked, and then we want it to hide, and then we're going to wait 3 seconds, and then we want it to show. So there we go. Now we can add in some code. So we're going to do chat again, and this video is going to be a little bit long because I am making a story. I am going to show you a few other things in this story. So like now I'm going to just show you how now you wait for another few seconds. Over here you can type in. I'm going to wait for about 6 seconds or maybe 5 seconds and do more writing. But like I said, you do not have to copy my story, you can do whatever you want for yours. And well, yeah, so now we're going to choose our second background. So we're not just going to have one background for our story, I'm going to also show you how you change your background. So we're just going to test out this code, and then I'm going to show you how you change your background to the second background of your story. Alright, so now we've tested the code out, we're going to choose our second background, which is going to be the words. So we'll just choose that. Okay, now we're going to add in some more code and get another wait block from control. So we'll just add that wait block underneath say, and we'll change that right now. And we'll go back into looks and we'll get another chat looks and get another say hello. So we're gonna make it say what we obviously want it to say, and now I'm going to show you how you change the backdrop, because you don't want it to start in the woods, we want it to start in the witch house. So we click on the backdrop over here, and we go on to when green flag clicked, and then we go into looks, and we so when green flag clicked, we want to switch backdrop to witch house, and then we're going to get a wait block in control. And we're going to wait about 10 seconds, and then we're going to switch backdrop to woods. And that's how you change your backdrop. Well, you can have as many backdrops as you like. So we're going to test this out now and see if it works. So that works amazing now. But if you do want to have a beginning slide that says welcome to the story of whatever your story is, or an end slide that says the end, I'm going to show you exactly how you do it. But just like I said, you don't have to copy my exact story, so you don't have to copy my exact slides. So like I said, you can do it for the beginning, you don't just have to do it for the end, and you can do whatever colors you want for your slide. I'm just going to be doing black and white. So what you do is you go onto the little backdrop icon where you choose a backdrop, but you select pink and you change it to, really convert it to bitmap, and you go into the little paint bucket fill and change it to black, and we're gonna click it and it changes. Now we're gonna add in some text and we're gonna change the color to white so it doesn't be the same color. And now we're going to type in the end, but you can also do this right at the beginning. I'm going to show you right now how you add this and make it to the right space, just like I showed you before how to switch your backdrop. This is exactly the same. I'm just showing you how to switch your backdrop but to the end slide. So just make it a little bit bigger and place it in the center, and now we're going to get the end slide. And we also want to hide the characters at the end. We don't want them to be shown. So now we're going to add in some more code and get a switch backdrop to, and go into control and get a wait 1 second block, and then we're going to put it together. So we're going to change that wait 1 second block, and we're going to switch the backdrop to backdrop 2, and now we're just going to test that out. Okay, so far it looks like it's going fine, absolutely fine. So now I'm going to show you how to make it hide when the end slide comes. So we're going to click onto the witch, and then we're going to go into the category control. So it's already in control, so we're just going to get a wait 1 second block, and I'm going to change that to 11 seconds. And so then we're going to go into looks and get a hide block, and we're going to drop that onto the wizard, and it's like copy paste, it just copies onto the wizard, so you don't have to do the whole code again on the wizard. And then the wizard has the same code. So now that we've tested, we're testing it out now, so they should disappear when it's when the end slide comes and it says the end. Oh, the wizard's disappeared, so I think I need to change the code on the witch and change the seconds because it's a little bit behind. It's disappearing a little bit more later. But anyways, thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel and click the bell button so you get notified every single time I post a video. Thank you for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye!